afternoon, teacher. Good afternoon, classmate. I'm talking about the colors in nature. Whether taking the splendor of a vivid rainbow against the dark gray blue of thunder clouds after a summer thunder shower, or closely examining an iridescent butterfly wing. Colors plays a major role in our fascination with the natural environment. The drop abroad a family fascinant, or the flash of white from a flailing deer, graceful bones through the underbrush. All colors play a key role to ensure to survive a particular organism. Without those characteristics or pigment evolution will have a phase of the unsuccessful colors and choosing the more successful ones. The sensory ability of animals to detect certain color patterns have permanently developed. With them, the palette of the visible colors varied from animal to animal. Predators would not be able to survive if the visible colors were unable detect the coloration. It is of these camouflage. Pre-humans have a three-color receptors, one each for red, blue, and green. We can only see a color what the receptor can receive. The colors in animals, where the animals come a variety shade of hues. Coloration as an important adoption can mean the difference between life and death. Whether an animal wants to blend in with this environment, such as a spot or kid by fan one, or stand up, such as squawking blue jay. Their coloration is genetically inherent trait, while there may be some minor variations that unique to certain species. Most is predictable. The coloration in animals is categorized depending upon the function in the service organism. Camouflage or coloration in animal to become nearly invisible in its surrounding environment. In the other words, it allows the hidden in plain sight, cryptic and behavior, or the remaining motionless in a cancelled area, always accompanied by cryptic coloration. Thank you.